And the pops and me and Valentino rest of them under used to race. Bumbuckle, 8 grams. Okay, the bike you give me 8 grams. Bumbuckle says, okay, just 1,000. Zoom. And pops, come on, pops.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous.
Alright, yo. So I'll go on YouTube. Before we get into the video, before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. To them I'm going a small little vlog. Holy shit. Low engine oil level. Fuck it. Haven't driven this car in so fucking long. Anyway, I'll go get that checked. And I have some tire pressure issues. But anyway. Yeah, so today I'm going to a small little vlog. We are going to a class. So if you guys check one of my videos, 5 tips for new motorcycle riders. Hopefully I'm not actually sound that, isn't it? So 5 tips for motorcycle riders is always get your endorsement. So I'm about to go over here. I'm late. I'm 20 minutes late. But anyway, I'll just tell him, hey, I ain't got a babysitter, bro. Give me a break. She came late. Anyway, we'll go over this class and we're gonna do a basic, you know, first rider course. So I'm gonna bring it along with me so they can see what I go on. So yeah, so I'm just enjoy the vlog. My shoulder is not too bad. I got an injection yesterday. Kind of feel stiff. Wifey stiff. But anyway, we'll go over this class. I'll go see what we can do. Tyler Hudson, one of my bridging, him did kind of make me know about the class here. So I'll go over there. I'm gonna see, you know what I mean, basic things when I go basically see when it comes to if you want to get the endorsement so you can ride legally. It is very good to ride legally on a motorcycle. Alright, so stay tuned, hit subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Once again, see you guys when we get here.
Alright guys, let's freaking go. I'm about to ride the shit out of this. I'm about to ride the shit out of this. So guys, this is a class that everyone should take because I just learned some shit that I never heard before. So it is good to take these classes and get as much knowledge as possible before you go out on the road, alright? So I've been riding forever and I didn't know a lot of shit he just said. He's a cool guy. I'm gonna tell you guys the name of this place. If you're in Panama City and you want to take the class, it's called Emerald Coast Motorcycle. I don't know, man. Fuck it. I'll tell you later. Y'all do not want to see my face right now. This is my first time on one of these little things. My Papa Willie, he gonna kick me out of class. My Papa Willie say, you fuck, yo. All that.
Kick those kickstands a couple times though, knock them all over. And the handlebars to the left. Just out.
There we go. Yeah, man, crank up fast.
You right here, to the right side, back up.
Oh, wait for your back up. Welcome, man, come to have a back up. Why for your back up, youth? Alright, so they're gonna take an exercise. Is it me? On grams. Grams are, you know? Grams are doing thing. Cause you know grams is no joke. You see me? Let me lock up them thing, yeah. What grams? Grams thirsty. Grams are boss, you know. Oh, my keys off. Pump. Grams don't know me a rider. Wifey me a rider. Get alone ride. There you go, my G. Take your time and slow it through. You see it? Take your time. Alright, Grams. Grams never knows I'm a rider. Bombo cleat. Grams want me do some old man thing, you know. Come in, no you what? Race, you know. So the big boot here almost let me all drop. Four left class Grams say. Am I stopping at the cone? Bumbo clean, yeah. Watch it, yo, me and them tired, yo. Yo, them bike are easy, no better. Bumbo clean, hey Grams, what kind of bike you give me? Hey Grams, bumbo class is okay, just 1,000. Aren't you, Grams? Yeah. Hey Grams, pay attention to me, you know, Grams. You don't look for me, you know, Grams. Hey Grams, you better pay attention, you know, Grams, because the bike might start, you know, Grams. Grams, watch, you know. Yo, man, watch it. Oh, man. Bumbo claw, go on, you what? Hey Grams, man, I tell you the truth, no, Grams, man, them bumbo claw tired, you know. Hey boy, you better drive up in the yacht, cause I come in, me and Grams there, you know, boy. Hang, bumbo claw, here, Perre. Comes to get a message, me can't check. Yo, man, them tired, you know, brother. So, yo, alright, with all seriousness, I'm gonna advise you guys to take this class. Like I said, it's a good thing to have. Don't tell yourself, like, nah, I'm not gonna get it. But like I said, I've been riding for way longer than some of these guys here at this class. But I've learned stuff that I've never heard of before. You get what I mean? So, it's good to take these classes because this basically get you ready mentally and physically. One of the things I had in my mind was, you know what I mean, whenever I feel stressed out, I'm gonna go ahead. It's good to stay focused on this class. Let me tell you why. Because I've learned stuff that I've never ever heard of before. One of the things he said in the class was, if you feel stressed out, or if you and your girl got in a fight, you and your brother or whoever, or if you're angry, never get on a motorcycle. Shit, when I get upset, I want to ride. And that's one of the things he said, never get on a motorcycle when, you know what I mean, you're doing these type of stuff, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, so take the class, guys. I think it'll be beneficial to y'all and let you guys know what I mean, stuff that you should. So take the class and never be afraid. You know what I mean, take on new challenges. In every state, it's different rules, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because when I came here to Florida, I thought it was a no helmet state. He was like, nah, the cops won't pull you over if you don't have on a helmet, but by law, you're not supposed to ride without a helmet. So yeah, and there's been times when I hopped out on my bike with no helmet, and I'm being honest. So yeah, so you're supposed to have a helmet on here in Florida. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Know what I mean? Your boy out here getting these contents. You know what I mean? So I'm basically giving you guys a free freaking view of, you know what I mean, what to expect when you go to a motorcycle basic rider course. So take it all in, my brothers and sisters. Woo-wee. And it's fun as hell. My freaking arms are tired, but hey. Alright guys, so we have another one that we got to do. Just great. Alright guys, metal pops me a long time me do no pops. A long time me do no pops. If you watch me no pops and me do them thing no pops, call me reckless no pops. Watch your pops. Watch your pops. What in turn? Yes, you're saying. Pops, if you watch me no pops, got my body no pops. Pops, me will kill you with this no pop. Pop, watch your pops. Watch your pops. What you know? He was in the line. Pops, if you watch me no pops. Pops, if you watch me no pops. Pops, if you watch me no pops, call my body no pops. Pops, if you watch me no pops, call me. Pops, if you watch me no pops, call me with Dashi no pops. Oh. Pops, if you watch me no pops, call me with Dashi no pops. Hey boy, hey boy, hey boy, hey boy. Hey boy, don't stop, you know. Yo, this come like when you have to go drifting, brother. You see it? You see me? What you say? Pops, you have to watch me, no pops. Got my body, no pops. Pops, my body, no pops. You have to watch me, no pops. Hold it, break. No, go on now. Bumbo clot. Pops, watch it, pops. Stop. Go. Bumbo clot. Hey, pops. Watch it now. You know, so that boy there running from the side of pops. That me get you find out to the boy no pops. Boy running from the side of no pops. Come in, me boy know something with Dashi saying no pops. I'm 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 with Dashi saying no pops. Boom, oh, clot pops. Pops, you know watch pops. Pops, you see me bad pops. Boom, oh, Whoo, man, I'm tired. Got your youth, 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 got your youth. And I find them enough, pops. Cause I find that difficult. Pops a laugh after here. Pops, you better watch me now, Pops. No, simple. We go in there. So guys, if you guys see my battery dies, just subscribe. Or if the video ends, you know why. Cause you just have to subscribe. Yeah, you know what I mean? No, please. I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can go ahead and get this class done if you're in Panama City. The guy's really cool, and I don't know his name. Shit, I've been with this guy for 5 hours now. I don't know the I don't know the man's name. Dang it, that's bad. That is really freaking bad. You know what I mean? But I think his name is Morris. I'm gonna say that his name. I think his name is Morris. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Now, I'm gonna have a part 2 to this tomorrow, so y'all can see what we got to do tomorrow. Cause this thing is a lot. It's a lot, man. Trust me. It's fun, but it's a lot. Hey, Grams, no, I take up a cone, man. I fix up no cone different, you know. Is that rain? Hey, Grams, we feel rain, you know, Grams. You never seen enough ride bike in a rain. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. He's cool. And he takes his time to make sure y'all know exactly what y'all doing before you come out here, so that's a good thing. This homeboy behind me doesn't know slow and control. Hey, Pops, I'm here Valentina Rossi, I'm our queen of them on the racing, man. Now what kind of thing this argument, Pops? What's up, Pops? What's up, Pops? Oh, zoom! And Pops, come on, Pops. You disappoint me, Pops. Giving me these type of courses, Pops. I tell Pops that me and Valentina Rossi and them on they used to race. In Pops? Why don't you know that? Bumbo click. Yo. Brother, oh you talk so brother? Bumbo clock, yo Ming. Hey Pops, watch your Pops. And the Pops and me and Valentina Rossi and them on they used to race. On the Pop, what is that? Pops, now if you slow down, I'm gonna go with you, no Pops. Pops, we don't use brake around here, Pops. What's up here, Pops?